Welcome to Manufacturing Tech Australia.
We're here with Stephen from Visy. Stephen, welcome to Manufacturing Tech Australia, mate.
Thank you.
Visy is known for being innovative in a lot of different spaces, so we thought we'd catch up with you today. Give us a bit of a run through of what you guys are working on and some of the newer stuff that you've got here.
Yeah, sure. So Visy Tech Systems, we obviously specialise in end-of-line automation.
Yeah.
So we're showcasing some of those pieces of equipment here at the show this week. So we can start with the TL Duo here.
Mm-hmm.
So this piece of equipment here will seal your cartons top and bottom, and we'll actually apply a label to the carton as well.
Mm-hmm.
All in this, short 1.5 metre footprint. So
Nice.
It's pretty cool.
And it can adjust up and down too, I guess, for different size boxes.
Yeah, so there are different models.
Yeah.
This is our semi-automatic.
Yeah.
So for customers just wanting to run one carton through the line at one time, one SKU, you can adjust this to the height required.
Yeah.
Push all your cartons through, and then you bring your next SKU in, and then you can just manually adjust it again for a shorter box or a higher box. So
Okay.
yeah,
Cool.
yeah,
Nice.
very good.
What have we got around here?
Yeah, so around here, so this is more our coding and marking area.
Okay.
So we've got our Hitachi laser here. So the lasers come UV, CO2 and fibre lasers, so different types of lasers depending on your substrates.
Okay.
The beauty of the laser is there's no consumable.
Yeah.
So no inks, no solvents, no labels required obviously. So
Nice.
we're finding that these are starting to become a bit more popular when people are looking towards the future, and obviously costs.
Yeah.
Reducing their cost on consumables moving forward.
Makes a lot of sense.
So the laser is obviously a good part of our offering.
And works on a bunch of different materials and substrates, yeah?
Massive different, steel, plastics, timber, you name it. So a wide range of different substrates you can use for the laser.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, so.
Ah, cool.
This is our Hitachi. Hitachi is our CIJ, which is our continuous inkjet machine. Japanese made. We sell a lot of these to the market specifically for product coding.
Yep.
So anything that needs a best before date or a product code. Again, a wide range of substrates it can be used on. We have different inks to accommodate the substrates.
Yeah.
There's retort inks as well. So the products that are being cooked that need a retort ink, we can accommodate that.
Nice.
The beauty of this little machine as well, this little cleaning station on the side here.
Okay.
So basically you can grab the head, pop the head in the cleaning station.
Yeah.
It'll clean, dry and calibrate your print head.
Cool.
So at the end of every shift, operator does that, pops it back on the line, and they're ready to go for the next shift.
Nice. Could do with one of those on my printer at home, I reckon.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Is there still integration issues in these kind of thing? You integrate this in with your, CRMs and ERPs and all that kind of stuff if you want to obviously get that data in there?
So you talk, so all these machines can talk to all the packing machines as well. We have our own software called VLR as well, Visy Line Write.
Yeah.
Basically that talks to your filling machine potentially, and then obviously talks to all the equipment, all the pieces of equipment on your line. So you can integrate all that together.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah.
Nice. Keep us moving, Stephen. What else have we got down here?
No worries. So this is our thermal inkjet, so TIJ. So basically, if you're coding on cartons, it can also code on products, but generally we use this stuff for cartons.
Yep.
There's 3 options on this particular line here. We'll start with the most basic and cost-effective would be our ESJet.
Yep.
This is cartridge in, cartridge out, so nice and easy for the operators. And it's just going to produce a very simple print.
Yeah.
So something like this, like a best before date on there, really simple. It'll print 12mm high. You can stitch another head to get a higher print on this one as well.
Right.
Then if we move towards the FamJet here, this is going to give you a 22mm print height.
Yeah.
This one comes with a bulk ink supply. If you bring the camera around this side, you'll see a cartridge sitting in here on the side of the unit. That's a 775mm bulk ink supply that's feeding our print head.
Yep.
So obviously a bit more cost effective than your cartridge in and out, which is going to cost a bit more per print, per carton. Yep. And then finally with the big boy, the EW108, this is going to give you 108mm of print height. So if you have a look at the carton here, we can print, this is what we can print: barcodes, QR codes, all the information you need on your carton. So if the customer wants to move away from a label and wants to go towards printing on a carton, this is a really good option for the customer.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Again, with the bulking supply on the side.
Yeah.
and we have obviously 2 ink cartridges here being able to pop in. So you put 0 downtime. One runs out, the other one kicks in, and then you can replace, and away you go.
Yeah, I was going to say, looking at this one, how long would that last generally if you got these things pumping through?
It all depends on what you're coating, how much you're coating.
Yeah.
But you definitely these ones with a bulking supply are going to be a lot more cost effective and get you a lot more shelf life. But so
cool.
Yeah.
Well, I don't think we can leave without talking about robots.
No.
We look at some palletising robots around here.
Yes, so it's in a demo mode at the moment. So it's just stopped its cycle actually. But this is, so Dobot is the brand that we use, we bring in from China, and it's a cobot though, a copal, so it's going to be palletising for us. It has the ability to palletise multiple SKUs, so you can have a pallet on either side of the unit. So you might have a carton that size, you can palletise on this pallet, and then the smaller carton, for example, you can palletise on the smaller, the other pallet.
Nice.
It doesn't just palletise cartons as well. We've done projects in the past where it's palletising tubs of yogurt. So there's the ability to change the head to a round head, so you can pick up a tub of yogurt, for example, and palletise that. And then you can you can also grab a slip sheet from the other side and pop it on top of the tubs, for example. So it can do really different and cool things like that as well. In terms of speed of the unit, you can sort of comfortably anywhere between 8 to 10 cartons per minute. So you generally find that's most people, that's going to beat most people palletising by hand, and obviously save the back as well. So these machines are coming very, very popular at the moment.
It makes a lot of sense. I mean, it's not only the manual handling side of things, but finding staff that want to actually do this kind of repetitive work can be pretty tricky.
Exactly right. It's only a matter of time, I guess, before the back starts to hurt when you do all day constantly moving cartons from your line to your pallets. So
for sure.
These machines come in really handy. So.
Nice. So what's the payload of something like this?
So this is our CR20. So it's a 20 kg payload on this machine. There are different sizes, CR10, CR30s as well. So depending on the weight of your carton, we can obviously accommodate.
Yeah, lovely. Excellent. Looks like we've done the full loop, mate. So thanks for coming on the show, Steve.
No worries, mate. Thanks for having me. Appreciate it.
Thanks for tuning in to Manufacturing Tech Australia with Shane and Paul.